Meaning of higher up.
Higher up.
Higher up.
Higher up.
Higher up. Higher up is a colloquial term often used to refer to someone of higher rank or authority within an organization or group. This term can be used in various contexts, such as in the workplace, military, or government, to describe individuals who hold positions of power and decision-making authority. Typically, a higher up is someone who holds a more senior position than the person making the reference. The term can also imply a sense of distance or disconnect between those in positions of power and those lower down in the hierarchy.